Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. What does the normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you, and I bring the work closer to your doorstep because there is one reason why you need to subscribe. You won't regret. I will bring the world closer to you. I will make sure I keep you updated. So now I want to tell you that the president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, his visit to Rome, Italy, to meet with the Pope, the newly ordained Pope, Pope Leo. Why is it that the visit of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not so special? Like, it's not the talk of the world that sure. So somebody like President Bola Ahmed Tinubu can still visit Pope, can still enter church, can still do this, blah 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 blah. Do you know that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not the only one in attendance? Peter Obi was also there. So when a lot of people see that Peter Obi and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they were talking, they were friends, in fact, they were really flowing. A lot of Nigerians again started by saying that, oh, they will never have any enemy because of election. This one will go this one, this one will go this one. They will start creating enmity among themselves. But you know, politicians, they are never enemies. Yes, so during election you will see all of them trying to bring problem, talk about one person or the other. The people that I pity for is their fans. Yes, so their fans will start having one enemy or the other, fighting themselves. But these people, when they are together, they will start saying, oh, see all these people, see the way they are fighting, that say will be enemies. Sorry, oh, now you can see the company here. You can see how all of them, President Tinubu meets with Peter Obi, Fayemi at the Vatican. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Mr. Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate, and former Ekiti Governor Kayode met at Pope Leo installation mass on Sunday in Rome. Fayemi cited President Tinubu where he sat with other leaders and asked Obi to follow him to pay homage to the Nigeria leader. Obi then agreed and said, okay, let us go and visit our president, let us go and greet him, let us go and pay homage to him. As soon as they get closer to where president is, Fayemi just break the ice between Obi and Tinubu as he said, Mr. President, welcome to our church and thank you for honoring the Pope with your presence. So this is what they were not telling President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He said, thank you for coming. Guess what? Then President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said, why will you welcome me? You don't forget, I should be the one welcoming you and Peter. I am the head of the Nigeria delegation. That is, na him dey send and he dey in charge. Abba. Oh, now don't forget. Then the president respond. Then these people, they were just cracking joke and they agreed with each other. The president responded quick to Obi, who agreed with president. Obi said, yes, so indeed, we are the members of the delegation. Peter Obi and Femi are Catholic, you see. So a lot of people were not saying, Abba. So these people can go out like this and great. I don't know what in Nigeria they expect. Were they expecting them to go to Rome and start quarreling, start showing a face of saying, we are enemies because of what election? Abba, you all know that if the time for election don't reach, they pretend as if they are enemies. After election, they are friends again. Now, a lot of people were not saying that they now understood the game that they are playing, the name callings, the discrimination don't pay, or they don't do this at the extent of their own what they want to gain. But after which they will just come to public and you will see them as if they are enemies. They on Twitter they start telling this one, oh, what you are doing is not good, start calling each other names just to hype their followers, just for the fans to know that, oh, Peter Obi is not in good terms with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, therefore President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is also my enemy. But believe me, if they leave that place, they know their own path where they meet now. And when they will meet each other, believe me, they greet so well and they play, they laugh. You that carry the enmity because of election, what will be your fate? The fact remains that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is among the leaders selected or appointed to go and grace the occasion, to go and celebrate with the new pope. So there is nothing anybody can do about it. He is the president of Nigeria, and it is duty for him to go. While some persons were saying that, where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu not go wear complete adagba go there. Why some persons are saying, oh, they did not know that President Bola Ahmed is going there. If not, they will go and ask him questions. Do you think that there will be room for you to ask President Bola Ahmed Tinubu question there? Do you think that they will allow press to just go there and say, okay, I want to see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to ask him some question? Do you think it is possible that way? Some persons were saying that, being that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have a handshake with the Pope, that they are believing that the life of Nigeria will not remain the same. That as soon as President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come back, say everything is going to change. And I laugh, I say, shoo. Do you know, do you think that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go there to say, let me go and talk about oil and gas, let me go and talk about my government, let me go and talk about electricity, let me go and talk about the problem that is affecting my people? See, he just went there to say, I celebrate with you. This is nothing about politics. He's not going there to discuss anything about politics or the problem of Nigeria. So you, when you dare your heart, say you they think, say you want to go ask Bola Ahmed Tinubu question, you will not see him to ask him that question. So why a lot of people are saying that it is sign that Bola Ahmed Tinubu succumb, and if he return, he's going to do the right thing, starting from Mazina the Kanu. You know that Mazina the Kanu will be appearing in court 21st and 22nd of May 2025. They were saying that they are believing that with this visitation to Rome, that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is going to release Mazina the Kanu, is going to change a lot of things. I laugh, I tire. I say, why do you think that visiting Pope will change him? Anyways, there is nothing God cannot do. Things that are not good, they will also be made right. It might be possible, they said, oh, since Bola Ahmed Tinubu have a handshake with the Pope, and the Pope is his holiness, or in his holiness, is going to transfer something positive to the life of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and I laugh. Anyways, now the progress of the country, now all of us need. So if this thing will stand as a pure significant for the change, for things to be right, nothing God don't go fit do. God can use this process to touch the life of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Anyways, I'm just here to keep it real. I just try to come and tell you that finally, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't get handshake with the new Pope Leo. So please share this video and let it go viral. I still mean your one and only Progress the Analyst. For people that did not know that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is live there to visit or to grace the occasion, this is the high time for you to know. Thank you so much. I still mean your one and only Progress the Analyst. As I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.